So if you're desperate for something to pacify your kids with, how about Google's 3D AR animals? Wondering what they are? Well, we're going to show you all of them and how you can enjoy essentially an entire zoo in your pocket. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Google on YouTube. Remember to thumbs up, hit subscribe and enable notifications with the bell icon to be among the first to watch our upcoming videos. So if we cast our minds back at I/O 2019, Google announced a ton of new AR features, taking advantage of some of the tech they've been working on that fuses 3D animals and objects into augmented reality. We will need a couple of things before we get started. That is an Android phone or iPhone running Android 7.0 or iOS 11 or higher. You need to open Google Search, and we suggest you doing so in Chrome, and type in one of the 24 animals listed to view them in full 3D. When they're in this AR mode, you can drag them around, pinch to zoom, and they'll even make realistic grunts, groans and growls, making them ideal for learning about animals in a fun way while stuck at home. Here's every single one of the 24 animals that you can bring right into your house without needing to head outside. Naturally, that list is more than likely enough to fill a small zoo or wildlife park, and of course is a great way to keep everyone of all ages entertained, even for a short period of time. Although with that said, let us know your favourite animal down in the comment section below and any that you'd like to see in future. But until next time, this is Damien with 9 to 5 Google saying thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will speak to you later.